The whole concept of this cliff house is to make sure that we enjoy the views, and the views are essentially engulfing us, and that's really what we were designing for. Bonjour, my name is Alain.
My name is Christine.
Welcome to our home away from home. So we're in between two cliffs, a cliff leading to the lake and a cliff upstairs leading to the driveway. When you look at it from the outside, it's like a bunch of rectangular cubes that were stuck on each other. It's a very steep area. The bridge, essentially, given the morphology of the land, is the only way we can think of to get access to the house. Unlike most houses, you enter by the top floor and then you go down.
You can say that it's a modern house, but because of the wood, it's so warm.
Wood has this expression that expresses nature in a way no other material does. We're in the kitchen. This is really where we spend most of our time when we are inside the house. We entertain a lot and we both love cooking, so it's actually an integral part of our weekends to come here and have a few hours just ourselves to cook something from scratch. It's like cooking outside because there's so many windows that you are essentially feeling like you are outside while you're not. We wanted to have clean lines so that we don't end up with a competition. We don't want anything in the house to compete with nature.
I like potteries, okay? When I'm traveling, I bring back potteries. As you said, it's clean, but I have a spot that I can expose my potteries.
She's allowed one spot, but it's a constant fight.
There's one room that I really want in this house. It's a sauna. I like sauna. When I'm here, take 2 or 3 sauna per day. It's a part of the relaxing time.
And we deserve being here because we had a big week and we worked hard, so now we can relax.
This is our bedroom, and it's pretty cool to be, on the top of the trees. It's like a house in the trees.
We love the Laurentians. It's just a dream, to be here, to be in nature. The nature is never the same. The light changes, the seasons change, the leaves changes. The forest looks completely different during the summer and the winter. We are very happy here. We are counting the days during the week as to when we're going to end up being here.